Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who doesn't know me yet, I am Jane Oandasan, the traveler portrait artist and at the same time a YouTube creator. So now let's go back to our tutorial. It was a long time when I created my tutorial regarding thumbnails and iMovie software. So now let's talk about how to get 4,000 watch hours in your videos. This watch hour is one of your YouTube requirements so that your YouTube channel will be monetized, and if that's so, you will make money online.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment.
I just want to have a big shout out to the following channels. My vacation rental channel, Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa, Manila River City Residences located at Santa Ana. And for long-term rentals, Residence by Commonwealth by Century located at Commonwealth, Quezon City. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you. Alright, so now before we will discuss our tutorials, I will show you how it looks like when you have a monetized channel. So let's click on my YouTube Studio or Creator Studio. Then click the $sign or the monetization button. So this is what you can see once your channel has been monetized. Otherwise, you can see the requirements of YouTube. Okay, so how can we get 4,000 watch hours in just few months? First, you need to know what niche you really like. Because if you have the passion, then you can create very good video that you really like. But aside from that, you need to consider your audience as well. Think about it first if your audience like to watch your videos. If you cannot decide yet, then it is okay that you will make random videos. Then later on, you can check from your YouTube analytics which niche is very good for your audience. And then second, you need to create a quality video with a quality content. Why you need that? Well, it is because from this, you can gain more subscribers and they will help you increase your watch hours. I have iMovie software tutorials listed below for video editing tutorials. And then third, upload your videos in your YouTube channel. So in here, you need to consider your thumbnail, titles, descriptions, and tags. In your thumbnail, be sure that this is so catchy in the eyes of your audience. And be sure that your thumbnail is related to your content video. For those who doesn't know how to edit thumbnails, then you can click one of my tutorials listed on my descriptions below. On your title, it must be searchable so that YouTube will recommend your video. On your descriptions, mention everything about your video. What you can see on your video, why it is so interesting. Put also very nice keywords on your tags that is really connected to your video. Input all the related topics on your videos so that if your audience will search the specific keywords, then they can find it in the YouTube. And then fourth, you need to share to all social medias that you have so that your friends can see it, and if they are interested to watch it, then they can click it. And that is a plus on your watch hours. Aside from that, if you're willing to pay marketers to share your videos, then you can do that as well. It depends on you if you like to pay or not. If not, then it's not mandatory. Okay, so if you tried all the 4 steps that I told you but it's still not enough, then you have the options to try to go live. Live streaming can give you more watch hours depending on how many audiences watching on your live. I will give you an example. You have 2 hours live and you have 10 people watching. Then there is a possibility that you can gain 20 hours from that. It depends how long your audiences stay watching, okay? What if you did all of those tips but still you need watch hours? Well, don't give up, my friend. You need to have patience. Everything is not so easy, but for sure, there are many solutions. You need to work for it. Aside from those tips that I mentioned, you need to connect also with friends who are willing to increase their watch hours. So from there, maybe you can watch each other, right? Why not? Yes. And you need also to connect with some monetized channels so that you can get more ideas and tips from them on how they get monetized. Believe me, everything will be okay. Just trust yourself and never give up. You can do it. Just let me know if you have more questions or if you tried my tutorials on my comment box, okay? And then you can also give some strategies for those beginners, alright? So that they can get their 4,000 watch hours, okay? Because you know what? You can only be monetized when you get these hours, okay? 4,000 watch hours, that is, one of the requirements of YouTube so that you can gain more money. Alright, thank you for watching, and then see you on my next adventure and tutorial.